If you're self-employed and you're trying to get a mortgage, here's a couple tips you want to take into consideration when applying for a mortgage. It's not going to be your gross business income. It's going to be what you've personally declared. So if you're self-employed, you may be paying yourself, if you're incorporated, for example, you may be paying yourself a T4A or dividend income or a combination. Now it's what you've personally declared over the last 2 years that's going to be used. Now some lenders will allow us to gross this up 15, 20%, which is helpful, but sometimes that's not enough to qualify for what you need. Prepare your tax documents. This can be as simple as just your T1 generals, which your accountant fills out to file with CRA. The T1 generals will have a breakdown of all the income you've earned for the previous year. Now, when you're self-employed, the lenders are typically going to want to see the last 2 years history to show some consistency. Now, number two, if you're self-employed but also incorporated, we're also going to want to see the business financials. This will show the strength, the revenue, the expenses of your incorporated business. We also will want to see at least 2 years history of this. Some lenders will even allow us to combine the net income after tax as well as whatever you've personally declared. Tip number three, your taxes must be up to date. Assuming you want to be with a Schedule A lender like a major bank, your taxes must be up to date. Now, if you're okay with a B lender, an alternative lender, it can be a great alternative for those who are self-employed. You don't necessarily have your taxes up to date, but we'll want to see the last 6 months business bank statements are very strong, and we can use those and annualize them. The most important part of all of this is to do a thorough pre-approval with a mortgage broker, provide all of these income documents up front. This way the broker can thoroughly review everything with you, come up with a plan and strategy to reach your goals and needs.